Hello everyone, welcome to a day in the life of a window cleaner vlog. Today is March the 4th. I'm local to where I live, so I'm Wisbech St Mary, and we've got 19 cleans for the day. All the messages have gone out, we've got no skips, we've just got a couple of people asking for AM or PM. So see how me and Matthew do today. Weather looks like it's a cold start, frosty, which is probably normal for this time of year, but the sun's coming out, so no doubt it's going to be a lovely, warm, sunny day, which is what everyone's waiting for after the last couple of months. See how we get on. I'm in a road where I've got 5 cleans. We've done 2. I clean 1, Matthew does the one opposite. And then I move the van further down. I've got 2 side by side. And then I've got 1 where I just walk a little bit with the hose. Problem is there's no access around the back. Used to go through the house with the gardener's backpack, but I don't do that anymore. So we use a 45 litre trolley. Matthew's walks it all the way around to the back. And it comes in handy because it does hold a lot of water. It's easier to move because it's on wheels. And then we use that. But what we've got to do is fill it in, so you'll see Matthew just filling up the barrel, well, 25 litre barrel. That's why we carry them in the van. There's spare water for the tank, but also we can chuck it in the 45 litre trolley. Takes 30 seconds, and then off you go. Just an update, everyone. We've eaten lunch while we're out, just my sandwiches, nothing too special. And it's now 1:30 in the afternoon, or just gone. And we've just popped home. We're going to put some more water in the van. We've got 6 more cleans left to do now. They're all in one lane, all close to each other. So I'm hoping it'll be a decent finish for us anyway. And yeah, sun's out, weather's nice, everyone's happy. Just unfortunately, I've got a couple of elderly customers. I've had a bit of a yarn with some of them. It's the one bit my son doesn't like. It's pretty much I'm doing all the talking. He's sort of like just sitting there. So I suppose when you're waiting, it seems 10 times longer than what it is. But they're like in ill health, going through things. They've lost the other half within the year, that sort of thing. So these people deserve a bit of your time, really, don't they? If no one else is going to give them any time, who'd have got? But yeah, these 6 should go all right anyway. I'm going to get a cup of tea and fill up the van. See how we get on. Back home, 5 PM, that's it, all 19 cleans done in Wisbech St Mary. Me and Matthew were saying we probably would have been finished by 4, but because we've had a few talkers and done a bit of chatting today, it's probably cost us an hour all in all. But it's another sign, unfortunately, that when the weather's better and you've got those who are perhaps like retired and got more time than what we have, they just don't see many people and have a bit of a chat, if you get what I mean. And I think sometimes they forget what it's like, even though they've been all through that rat race themselves, you know what I mean? But I don't mind. Some of these people, like, they're not here for much longer, are they? They're in their 80s and that. Clever people, done a lot of stuff in their time, so I'm happy to hear them out. But job done, that's it. So survive a month over, and I've got this month, if it keeps going the same, I'll hopefully end up with a bigger profit than last month because I ain't got the bill to cover. So yeah, all in all, good day. You've seen I've used a 45 litre trolley today. It's not often we get to use that now. It's just me and Matthew, but it come in handy. So yeah, that's me done. Like and subscribe, all the good stuff. And there'll be a video somewhere up here that YouTube will put up for you. Thanks for watching.